the Jester by Vapefly. Stick around, my friends. We'll be right on back. Not bad, eh? It's got some pretty good air. You know, the stuff that comes out when you blow it out. You know, that stuff. It's got a lot of production. Not bad for a pod. Not bad for a pod. Now, I'm a fan. I'm a fan of Vapefly. I just they do such a good job with everything. Now, I'm not such a fanboy that I love everything about it. It does have some cons. I think they could have done better on a few things, but all in all, it's a good little piece of gear for beginners and, believe it or not, for seasoned vapors, people that have been around the block, so to say. I can get a restricted mouth, using a restricted lung hit, and that's using the mesh coil that it comes with. It also comes with a round wire, 1.2 ohm round wire build, so that'll be for your mouth to lung. You can mouth to lung this also. It'll be warm though. It's more like you can get a really, if you like throat hit, you can get a really badass throat hit on this on the mesh coil with the restricted direct to lung, using your mouth to lung liquid with the, if let's say you use 12 or 6 mg of nicotine, man, you can get a really awesome lung hit, or I mean a throat hit with these. It's pretty awesome. Now let me read a couple things. They also, it's got a 1000 milliamp hour battery. Oh, and this little thing holds 2 mil. Now, saying that, the 2 mil with the mesh coil, bam, goes fast. I've gotten a couple dry hits with it because I didn't realize it was empty. It's all of a sudden, bammo, a wham bammo. It also has 3 modes of power. So right now that's purple, and then click it 3 times, and purple's the lowest. It's 3.3 volts. Then we got blue, that's 3.8 volts, and the green, which is 4.8 volts. I haven't had to use that 4.8 volts. Even when the battery gets low, I've not had to use it. I've gone up to the, I've been using it on the purple one with the mesh coil, but with the mouth to lung coil, it's a little different. Anywho, okay, let's go ahead and just get this out of the way. I would get another one if I lost it. Like I said, I'm a fan of Vapefly. I'm not really a fan of, you know, what they, the skull and fast and loud. I'd rather have a solid color. And they got one called the Jester, Ghost, and Joker. They've got silver, matte black, and whatever. Also, it has a rebuildable deck, which I didn't get, and which kind of sucks, because I really wanted it. That was the reason I picked this, because it had a rebuildable deck. So maybe they made a mistake at the warehouse. That happens. It's not a big deal. I got it sent to me for the purpose of this review from healthcabin.net. Let me tell you one of my cons. A big con for me is that firing button. You know, in jeans, the watch pocket that you have, the watch pocket right here. I like to put my pods right there. It fits in there perfectly. But if I'm not careful, and if I don't turn this off, it'll fire. Now it will turn off at 10 seconds, but by then you may have burnt up your coil and you'll have to get a new one. Now if you have the rebuildable deck, then you can just build a new one. It's got good flavor. I'm amazed at how good the flavor is in this thing. That's another plus. Okay, anyways, another con that I have, these two buttons right here, that's what you do to take it out. You push those two buttons and you pop it out. Now, I wasn't used to that at first, and I just pulled it out and broke the tab right there. As you can see on this side, I've got it taped. So I just put a piece of Gorilla Tape on that, and now it goes in easy, so I'm not really that worried about it. It even stays in better. It doesn't have any slack, and unfortunately I can't remember if it had slack without that or not. Okay, I've got my new glasses, and that makes me very happy. Go figure. Anywho, we're gonna bring it on down. We're gonna look at take up close, look at what's in the box, and just guess stuff, figure things out. Bam, baby. Did I do all the cons and stuff? I think I probably did. Here we go, my friends. Here is the box, which I think is kind of neat looking. And the back of the box and what's in it. Go ahead and take a screenshot if you want to, or pause it, whatever. One of the things I always appreciate with our friends at Vapefly is they have easy to open boxes. You got those thumb cutouts. So bam, I love that. Super easy. Obviously this goes there. Comes with a couple extra of those and some O-rings. I'll show you what those are for in a minute. And it comes with a pretty long USB cord. Here it is up close and personal. As these two buttons open it, and that's a con to me because I keep thinking this is the fire button and pop it open like that, which sucks, but whatever. I just got to get used to it, I guess. Well, what happened is I just pulled it without pushing these and broke it right here. You can see this, it's supposed to look like that. I just pulled it apart. Now, this is the child safety right here. You push that button to pop that up. Here's the two extra things that I showed you a minute ago. You pop it up, and that's where you fill it right there. And then close it. In order to change your coil, you got to pull this off. And I can't grip it to get it out. Oh wait, there we go. I just did it. Okay. I guess I can. So, unscrew it. This is the mouth, the long one. This is the mesh one, which is my favorite one. Tell you right off the bat. You get a really bad to the bone throat hit with it. The mouth to lung one, you get a really good throat hit with that one also. So when you put this back in, believe it or not, you have to do it right. On the outside, there's flat. See the flat part? And then, see, there's the flat part there. And on the other side, there's a flat part, right? There, you see it? Or above my fingernail. Just line it up, pop it in. Here's the airflow right there. Open and close, however you want it. Pop it in. Now, you would think that you could just open it and fill it up, but you can't. Because that'll happen, what I just did. So you gotta take the baby, or the child lock, push it, open it, and then fill it. Which is what we're gonna do right this second. I don't fill it up too much because then it gurgles. I don't like it gurgling. There. That's it. That's it, my friends. Right there. Wham bam spanky man. Okay. So the Jester. Now when I get the the rebuildable deck, then I'll do a review on that. It's still got superb flavor. I put my blue raz in there, the one that I just created the other day with that Wonder Flavors blue raspberry sour candy. Hi, baby girl. She's wanting me to notice her so she can get a treat. Huh? Isn't that right? Yeah. Now, believe it or not, the airflow is still wide open, but I'm getting a really nice restricted hit. Oh, let's get the light on, like my new light. I forgot. Yeah, that's better, right? Yeah, we decided that it was better. All in all, it's a decent device. And for $15, I think it's a great price. And the coils aren't very expensive either. It's $12 for a pack of 4. That's not bad at all. Obviously, I'm not going to buy any coils because I don't buy coils. I build coils because I'm all about saving money. And luckily, it comes with the rebuildable deck, which I don't have. But I will get one, and when I do, I'll do another review. Stand Man signing out. Peace.